Guys, so we're back post-workout. It's currently the next day. I actually just got done working out right now. I didn't film it, hot and sweaty one, but to be honest, I'm not feeling it at all today. I went to bed super late last night uploading protein French toast videos. So if you guys haven't watched it, man, go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I actually took a little bit of time to edit, man, but that's gonna do it. Today I've not been feeling too hot, man. Did some cardio here on the trusty biker here. I did 5 rounds of 500-meter sprint into 10 rounds of 2 minutes on, 1 minute off, and then I went and worked out, and honestly I was not feeling the workout at all. It was hard. I just was super tired and just felt like I was fatigued, but to be honest, it's the low sleep and I was hungry also. But we still got it done, man. It's not always gonna be a crazy session, but we still got better. I worked on some power clean, push jerks, and just shoulder work and shoulder mobility, as well as some snatch work and lifting with my lifters. And honestly, it was still hard and I still got a really good sweat in, man. It got me breathing, but the point I'm trying to make here, guys, is we got better today. We moved the needle again, so that's all that matters, man. Even on those days where you don't feel your best, as long as you push yourself and you put in the effort and you move that needle and you get better to win, and that's what we did today. So I'm gonna go ahead, get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna go to the mailbox because we got a package, and that's gonna lead me into the video. You guys probably already know what it is because of the title, but yeah, I want to unbox it for you guys and then give you guys a little review because I already actually have like the main piece, which you guys will find out later. And yeah, man, just give you a little overview of what I got and then also a review of the actual product itself, and maybe you guys like it and you pick it up. This is also one of those awesome super cheap cardio pieces of equipment for your garage gym. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so quick little detour. We're gonna be going getting some more equipment as well. I'm gonna bring you guys along just because, hey, you guys are part of the fam, so why not show you guys what we do, where we go. But yeah, man, just some more stuff to the home gym kit and stuff. So I hope this gives you guys information. Just look for deals and go out there and get this equipment. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Alright guys, so we came up on some dumbbells and some bumper plates in here. So we got right around 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10-pound bumper plates. Super stoked on that. And we got a few pairs of dumbbells. So go ahead and unbox them at the house. I picked up a pair of 25s, a pair of 50s, the big boy ones, so we can at least hit some back, some chest. A pair of 15s, the lighter ones, you know, for the beauty muscles. We gotta hit some rear delts, some side delts. And another 50, so boom. All right guys, I'll see you guys back at the house. Guys, so this is a town over, an hour away, down in the valley. Like valley as in like farmland valley. We're in the mountains. It's so hot out here, man. Where I live, we get like maybe 90, high, like low 90s, 95 max. But we get that nice mountain breeze, so you don't really feel it as much. Down here, it's just heat, man. Props to these guys. But hey, shout out to Pro Edge Fitness, Aaron, for always hooking it up. Hooked it up with more bumper plates so we can actually do more weight, do more types of lifts with like less weight, focus on technique. And we got some dumbbells so we can just do a lot of other things. So man, huge shout out to Aaron at Pro Edge Fitness. Thank you, man. Thank you. Literally making my dreams come true and just helping us out in this time, you know, crazy time that it's really hard to get equipment. So huge shout out. Thank you. So pumped. So doing a little unboxing here now. So figured since we're gonna have to get rid of the boxes anyways, might as well just unbox them in the car and then just carry the weights over there and then recycle the cardboard. But just to give you a little perspective of what we got here. They're brand new stinking dumbbells. So brand new in the box, in the bag. Rubber Hex dumbbells, guys. Got the 50 here. And we got the rubber the rubber hex. So perfect, man. Super pumped on these. Again, huge shout out to Aaron over at Pro Edge Fitness. Thank you. Workout. All right, guys, so we are back. This is basically what this is looking like. It's probably looking a little bit different than the past videos, right? Show you guys what we got over here. All right, guys, so we got ourselves some trusty handy dumbbells here. So we got a 50 pounder, we got 25 pounders and 15s. And over here we got a fine looking stack of plates, man. We got our trusty Plyo Box DIY video. Go check it out if you haven't already. And then this is the package we are gonna unbox. So this is just a little sneak peek. RPM, training company, grounded by purpose. That's basically the new additions that we got. We just keep on adding. So I was gonna get originally just a 15, a 25, 35, and then maybe a 45 or a 50, just single dumbbells. But actually, dude who I was picking them up from said he couldn't even only do the pairs. So I was like, okay, let's do the pairs. Expecting to pay so much money, and actually it was way cheaper than I thought. So I'm actually really pumped that I went with the pairs on the 50s, because that means we're gonna be able to do some shoulder press work, a lot of dumbbell snatches, devil's press, like that sort of thing, and maybe do some also chest exercises, back exercise, more bodybuilding, strict movements. And then the 25s is gonna be awesome for curls, for arms, for shoulders, rear delts, as well as the 15s. It's gonna be more for like the accessory work, strict work. So it's gonna be nice. And also for like, let's say like a friend comes over, my girlfriend or someone, say they want to lift, we're gonna be able to actually lift and have a dumbbell set that they can actually use. So super pumped on this pickup. So also super pumped up on these weights right here, because now I can actually do movements that are really hard for me. Like let's say like power cleans or squat snatches, different movements like that, where like I really need to start light to get the movement down and really warm it up to the heavier weights, rather than just going from the bar to 115, which is kind of heavy right off the bat for certain movements. So today I was actually just practicing a lot of snatching and stuff just with the bar, getting the hang of it, and it felt really, really good. So I'm so excited to have these 10s, because I can slowly progress. I can go 10, add another 10, add another 10, up until I get to like the 35s and so on. That's gonna be a game changer for me. So I'm so pumped on that. So pumped on the dumbbells, man. Super pumped on the box, because I've actually been using it a lot lately, and it's super fun on the workout. So stay tuned for like a little workout video using all this equipment. New videos are gonna be just dope, man. They're gonna be dope. You guys are gonna be able to do these workouts in your own home garage gym as well. So man, hit that subscribe button, man, if you're new. Super pumped. So much more content to come. But let's go ahead and get into this little unboxing. All right, guys, so let's start off with this little package here. Let's see what we got here. It's something that we've needed, because this piece of equipment is actually like started to cut us and started to hurt us. So you guys guess? You probably already know what it is, but anyways, picked up new cables. So like this cable will jack you up. So all right, guys, so see that? Guys, look at the bottom of this cable right here. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell from that shot, this thing is super just worn out already. This is actually my first ever jump rope that I got for CrossFit. It's the RPM sprint rope. I absolutely love it. Super light, and it was awesome to learn double unders on. This is what I used to learn them on. Stay tuned for a double under video coming soon, because I feel like it was one of the weakest, most frustrating movements, and I literally had to learn it all on my own, like figure it out. I got cues here and there, but it was literally just practice, trial and error. So I'm gonna be giving you guys my tips on how to double under. But as you guys can tell, this rope, I've been using it outside, and just a lot of wear and tear, I guess. That's happened, and it actually really hurts whenever it gets caught on you. It's sharp. So I actually ordered some replacement ropes, guys. So we got a white rope, we got a nice mint rope, and we got a nice pink rope for, you know, the upcoming months, you know, the breast cancer awareness month, different sorts of things like that. So I figured, you know, might as well have something stocked for that. But honestly, with these white handles, it looks so clean. I've had white before. I ordered another white rope. I think I might go mint on this one, honestly. Like, the mint's gonna look clean, guys. What do you guys think? Should we do mint? I think we should do mint. All right, guys, so since I am gonna be replacing it, a quick rule of thumb, and these cables are gonna be really, really long. So all I'm gonna have to do is grab an Allen key, a small Allen key here, and I'm going to place it in there, loosen it, and then take the cable out. Obviously, I'm gonna be putting the new cables in. They're gonna be super, super big. So rule of thumb for me that I used, and that got me this rope how it is, I threaded my handles through, and literally just figured out to where my armpits were, and that's where I want my handles, stepping on the rope straight in the middle, and I want it to right about my armpits. So that's all you need, and that's where you should cut your rope. The rule of thumb, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Literally just gonna put the rope in, boom, measure it up to my shoulders right here, and whatever height that is for my rope, that's where I'll be cutting it, and that's where I'll be using it. So that's just a quick rule of thumb. If you want to size it and you don't really know how, it's always step in the middle. You want your handles right at your armpit width. So right off the bat, guys, I've had this rope for over 6 months now, maybe a year, and I definitely think it was time. I was like, why did it wear out so fast? I actually used it a lot, and it was time for a new rope, guys. Right off the bat, like 6 to almost a year now of having this rope. It's a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I think I bought it for maybe $30 to $50. I can't really remember now how much I bought it for, but it was one of the best purchases I made when I first started CrossFit and functional fitness in general. If you guys are working out at home, I highly recommend you guys pick one of these up right off the bat. Don't be scared to spend the $30 to $50. I know that might sound like a lot to some of you, but it also might sound super cheap to some of you guys. But whenever you're just coming into fitness and you say, oh, I need to buy a jump rope, but it's $30, that's a lot of money. Honestly, it's worth the investment because these jump ropes are gonna really make a difference in your home garage training kit. Honestly, they're better than regular jump ropes. You get better workouts. Learning double unders is just going to be an awesome fun thing and goal for you guys to set. But on top of that, it's also just a really good piece of cardio equipment that you're going to learn an awesome movement on. Double unders, you're going to be frustrated, but it's going to be something to work toward. This is one of their plastic ropes, but it's one of their fastest and lightest ropes that they have. And honestly, it's the build quality is amazing. Even though it's plastic, it's still very grippy. It has like textured little grips on here. These little gray spots right here are actually rubbery, so it gives you a good grip. The spin on this is amazing. So even though it's plastic, guys, I mean, it's nothing crazy like a metal one, but the spin on this alone is still super good, guys. Like, I cannot complain, especially for a first beginner jump rope. This is awesome. I'm definitely going to be using this, all these ropes, just to kind of, you know, go through them. I'm thinking about upgrading to getting like a metal one with handles, that sort of thing here pretty soon. But this is an awesome rope, especially for people that just want a rope to learn on. This is probably just going to be my general rope for the garage. Like, let's say my siblings want to work out, my friends want to come over and they want to work out, this is going to be their go-to rope because it's light, it's plastic, and they'll still be able to use it. I'm going to probably upgrade to one of RPM's more metal, better handle ropes, because I actually used one and I just loved the weight of it. I loved how it felt in hand. I felt in control of it, yet it was still super light and still moved very well. So honestly, having this over 6 months, maybe a year now, I highly would recommend you guys have this rope. In terms of how it held up phenomenally, guys. Like, it was definitely time for me to get new cables. This rope is going to be with me forever. This is my first ever jump rope that I use. I learned double unders on, so I'm going to be keeping this forever. But in terms of the cables, all you literally have to do is replace them. Boom, you're good to go. I highly recommend you guys get a coated cable if you're using this for your garage gym, because there's days where you're going to work out outside, you're going to jump outside on the concrete, maybe on your garage floor, the mats, that sort of thing. So I would just go with a coated cable, guys. If you're not in the competition, you don't really need that bare cable. I would just go with a coated one. It's going to last a lot longer. That's also just another point I want to make. So I went with all 3 replacement cables. They had a bundle. It was super cheap. I think all 3 of them were like $6, maybe $12, right around there, $4 a pop. And I got all coated cables because I want them to last a little bit longer. I know the type of workouts that I'm going to be doing in the setting, and coated cables just going to fit me a whole lot better. So that's what I wanted to go with. But yeah, man, also got this little RPM little sticker pack, man. Ooh, sick. Ooh, they hooked it up with the stickers, guys. Boom, super dope. Honestly, guys, I've been kind of on a sticker kick lately. I have a little envelope where I collect all my stickers, and now if I'm ever buying anything from a company that I love and I love their products, I always go to search and I see if they have any stickers available, because I've actually got some equipment, you know, like just my computer, my iPad, and I actually want to like customize it and just make it my own feel, and I'm so pumped on that. So that's why I get the stickers, man. I'm super hyped to have stuff like that. Alright, guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Just a quick little trip to get these additions here, the bumper plates, and also the little unboxing / product review of the RPM Sprint jump rope. Honestly, I don't know the name, but it's an RPM training code jump rope. Honestly, I think they might have like 3, maybe 2 to 3 jump ropes, and every one of them is going to be hands down amazing investment, especially for your home gym. So definitely go pick one up, guys. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I've just been a consumer, a brand new person entering functional fitness and CrossFit, and that's what I went with, and haven't been disappointed. I even bought some more replacement ropes, and also going to be upgrading my rope here soon, which you guys will see, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, man. You guys don't want to miss that unboxing and review. But yeah, man, super hyped to have these dumbbells, these bumper plates, so stay tuned for more workout videos, more content to come, guys. Also just more recipes and just things like that. So hit that subscribe button, man. I'm so glad you guys are coming along this journey, man. You guys are family, the Breakfast Club. We're building this team strong, baby. So hit that subscribe button, man. That's gonna do it for today's video. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this bee.